it comes to taking care of the beauty that you show. Primeside, your trusted cosmetic partner.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple neem and ginger toner with just 5 ingredients. So this could help to fight blemishes, soothe the skin and give you a clear skin. Also fights bacterial and fungal infections. Quickly, I would get a beaker, well sanitized, and my first ingredient would be my neem hydrosol. Neem hydrosol is also called neem water. It is gotten by distilling neem plant and getting all the beautiful materials that are in the neem plant but in a clear water. So you could use this in place of your distilled water. Next is going to be my ginger hydrosol. This ginger hydrosol is freshly distilled and smelling like real ginger. It's so nice and it has a lot of antibacterial, antifungal and antiseptic properties. Neem, on the other hand, has a lot of antibacterial and antifungal properties, and these two hydrosols could actually help to combat a lot of bacterial infections, fungal infections, and even help to give the skin an even tone. The next is going to be my aloe vera gel, and I made this aloe vera gel with aloe vera hydrosol. I will share a video on how I made this aloe vera gel probably in videos to come and show you how you can store it for a very long period of time. This is actually industrial aloe vera gel. So I'm having 5% of my aloe vera gel because it has soothing and healing properties. Hey, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, hi, this is Primeside, and on this channel I share videos teaching how to make safe, effective and natural cosmetic products for everyone to use, whether you're making it for yourself or for even commercial purposes. So to effect a color to this product, I'm going to be using a pink food color. I diluted the powder to give me a pink liquid, so I'm just going to be using 0.5 grams of this pink liquid here. I do not want it to be all that pinky. I just want it to have that mild undertone pink color. So I'm going to take this to my magnetic stirrer and give it a stir until the aloe vera gel is well combined with the hydrosol. So if you've ever had the thought of using ginger or neem in your toner but you're scared of the color that it's going to give to you because of the color of neem, then you could try out using hydrosols. Hydrosols are very beautiful to replace with water, and we have them in stock in case you want to buy. You could just see the description box for more details. After checking the pH is giving us 6, and that's too much. We needed a pH of around 4 to 5.5. So anywhere around 4 to 5.5 is okay for us. So checking the pH here, we're getting 5, but I would need to confirm this with our pH meter. So I'm going to go ahead to weigh out my preservative. Here I'm going to be using Jormal Plus. Jormal Plus is a broad spectrum preservative and it's also synergetic, so it would be a good choice to make this product. So I'll add this and continue the stirring process. Now if you've always wanted to make good products for skincare and general cosmetics, then you can consider hopping by our academy and taking our diploma courses. The videos you find here on YouTube are simplified formulas that could help everyone, whether for personal or for commercial. But when you attend the academy, you're going to learn how to properly make formulas. Confirming with my pH meter, I'm getting a pH of 4.3, and I think that is very okay for this toner. I'll turn off my magnetic stirrer and transfer my beautifully made toner into my bottles. If you have any video requests, you can let me know about that in the comment section, but you can always stay by on this channel to get beautiful recipes like this. Also, we have all the raw materials used here in stock, so to purchase from us, you could see the link in the description box. If you're a beginner, you can grab our ebooks to improve your craft, or then take our diploma courses if you want to do better. Our toner is already bottled, and this can be used by all skin types and all skin complexions, both sensitive skins and non-sensitive skin. It can be used in the morning and evening, and it could fit into any other routines. Thank you so much for watching this one. I'll definitely see you next time. For now, take care and bye.